Lumen has helped the Minnesota Vikings win on and off the field. We were able to experience amazing technology in this brand new facility, Twin Cities Orthopedics Performance Center, because of our partnership with Lumen. The trust that we've built with them has only strengthened since the first time we sat down to talk about what infrastructure might look like at US Bank Stadium.
We have a shared passion for our fans and the customer experience. We know that Lumen's got our back and that they're going to help us provide that fan experience for every single Vikings fan that enters US Bank Stadium.
We serve 66,000 fans every game day, and Lumen's network connections accomplish that mission of getting them in smoothly, quickly, safely. Without Lumen, we really wouldn't be able to do it.
We have millions of customers each Sunday, but we're also a customer. In our relationship with Lumen, we're a trusted partner with each other. And what helps us and makes us feel great about this partnership is that Lumen's continuing to think about things that perhaps we haven't even thought about yet.
My motivation in IT is to help support the customer. Lumen helps provide the services that we need to ensure that our staff can compete at that NFL caliber level.
The Lumen partnership has helped enable real-time communication with those that are, whether in their offices or maybe at a different site. It allows us to be more efficient and a better football team overall.
When we first set up US Bank Stadium's infrastructure, we knew that we had to have the Super Bowl in mind. That was going to be a moment where the bandwidth was going to be something that no one had ever seen before. And at that point, the terabyte usage set records. As we moved into Twin Cities Orthopedics Performance Center, one of the greatest challenges was how are we going to move content to a downtown US Bank Stadium?
We move gigantic files for game day presentation between TCOPC and US Bank Stadium, and Lumen's 10 gig network really helps us do that efficiently.
As we continue to look to the future, our hope is to set new bars. Our partnership with Lumen helped us create what we believe is the most amazing sports venue in the world.